Big fish.
Big fish.
It's my big fish. Uh-oh, I think it's coming to get my toes. Oh no, oh no.
Tell me you're in Italy without telling you're in Italy. Oh. Beautiful. Bellissimo.
In a world where pressure is high, birds fly though.
Going to start it for the first time.
Intention to travel, but how we do so. It's our plan for the long game, as a trail appears. Through the rough Europe. Is this where it begins? We'll drive north and then north. Unprepared as hell. From Italy to Norway. A rental van and goodwill.
Ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Are you ready to join our ride? Our adventure?
This is
Lost in Europe.
For Sweden! Wahoo! All around. Today.
Our first Vanlife adventure.
Fueling the bus for the first time.
Pompa quattro.
And he's a weirdo. Happy? You are on film.
Van is happy.
It's getting filled up.
Good morning everyone. First full day in the van. Yesterday we picked the van up.
Yeah.
We will give a van tour later today, but first we're going to explore Lake Garda, Lago di Garda in Italy.
Very exciting, very exciting. We just in the parking lot of the Aldi.
So yeah, we made ourselves ready for the day and we bring you guys with us. Let's go. Here we are at the van tour. Valentina is making first breakfast in the van.
Yeah.
So nice. Where we are. Of course in Italy. Rotating chairs. Here's our panel. Water and electricity.
How do you put the fire out? I don't know how to put the fire out. It's still on. Thank you so much.
It's on. Okay. We just found out we got extra space on top of the van. Okay. By the way, look at this view. Snow on the mountains over there. It's cloudy today. A little rain expected. Okay. This is our garage. Just turn on the gas. Don't leave it on while driving. It's dangerous. We had our first night of sleep and it's a very, very nice bed. Better than expected, right?
Better than expected.
We had like 9 hours sleep. Very, very nice. We are renting the van with Imoova.
Or Imoova.
Imoova. First time. You can rent the van for $1 a day. And we have 2 weeks from Venezia to Norway as Valentina is spilling onion.
Dropping the onion. Thank you, baby. I'm a clumsy one. I
No.
know.
And we just fueled the van for the first time. How many liters were going in? 65?
65.
Yeah. And it's
About 100 euros.
100 euros in Italy. And we can like drive 1000 kilometers with it. So it's a very sufficient van.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not bad.
How is the egg going?
It's great. The bacon is baked, and now I'm cutting the onions to bake the onions.
Prosciutto di Parma con
Peperoncino.
sì,
Y ajo.
we're struggling a bit with the language, but we're trying.
I'm Italian, and I don't know a word Italian.
Yeah, she has,
But I know Spanish.
she has Italian blood, and I take her for the first time into Italy.
My father lacked that part.
Yeah. Okay, I want to climb up, but I don't think
I'm
it's
sorry.
a good idea right now. Let's try.
Lego.
It smells nice.
Thank you, darling. I'm doing my best.
Maybe you want to hold the chair for it's moving.
Okay.
Look at this. And we're upstairs. Holy crap. This is so cool. This is so cool. Do we have an extra view here? Let's open this up. Oh, nice. There are even chargers up here
Really?
for your phone.
Nice.
And the ventilation system. Wow.
Hey, are you closing me in?
I'm closing me in. Ciao tutti! Okay, I'm not going to risk to fall down here right now. You'll get that later. But there are lights. Can you turn on the lights? What a unit. Oh my god. Grazie mille.
Prego.
And now it's time to explore the beautiful sights around Lago di Garda. Starting with Desenzano.
Guarda, è partita la banca!
do you say, duck? Never he cared to swim.
I'm always regretting to swim. I'm an idiot. He's regretting a swim.
No. Preparing to swim.
Good luck. You got this. Dat dacht ik al. It's not so warm. No, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, fish fighting. Oh, kijk uit.
She's not really regretting.
Half regretting. Half. Okay, my legs are very wet now.
Never saw a fish come so closely to a beach.
My feet in the water and he is totally in the water. It's not that cold, but just a little bit.
Good fish.
Big fish.
Big fish.
It's my big fish. Uh-oh, I think it's coming to get my toes. Oh no, oh no. Oh my god. Sea otter.
Very cold, very nice.
Very cold, very nice.
Water was so nice. Very cold but refreshing.
We are now just walking to a hotel where my parents stayed 25 years ago when I was in the belly of my mama.
Yes, exciting times.
Hi, we're back in the van and now we're going to the north of the Dolomites
No.
already, or?
We go around Lago di Garda to the north side.
To the north.
We might want to go make a full round. We're not sure yet.
Gonna see.
Because we want to drive to the Dolomites today.
Yeah! So we'll see what's gonna happen. Woo!
Tell me you're in Italy without telling you're in Italy. Beautiful. Bellissimo. What a beautiful day.
We did a lot of sightseeing today. The sun is setting. Time to find the camp spot. We are now in the place of Malchesina. We checked a few campings already, but they are full. First we needed to stop at this beautiful small beach to do some leg stretching before we find a new camping spot.
Today we drove from the other side all around Lago. Wow, wow, wow. Lago di Garda. Do you like it?
I like it.
Oh yeah. Need to find a spot. There's a camping there at the castle, but it was full apparently. So now we need to find another spot, park for night, of course.
Let's see what we can find.
We will find. We have to empty our toilet, do the electricity, all the stuff for the first time as well at the camping. So it will be a paid night tonight, and then we can go for a few days to Austria. Oh yeah. Valentina is going inside this camping, asking if there's a free spot for us. Will be nice. Let's pray. It's getting dark already. Only the second night we have to find a spot, you know, so it's still new for us.
The plaque is reserved and it's on my name, and it's a German person, and it's very nice. Yeah, we've got spots. Yeah, and I know which spots.
Nice.
And the first one is the best, I think.
Okay, let's go.
It was quite a challenge to park the van in the camping. Well, it was dark. The plan was to drive today to the Dolomites, but Lago di Garda was so beautiful. We had to take this slowly. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, because next video we will be driving to the Dolomites after a fresh dive into Lake Garda.
Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.